how to make a closed circuit using 2 copper wires, an LED light, and a battery. So a battery is made up of 25% steel, 60% metals such as potassium, magnesium, and zinc, and the other 15% is made up of mostly plastic and paper to help conduct electricity. So if we connect one side of the copper wire to the negative side and one side of the copper wire to one prong of the light, and then if we take the other copper wire and connect it to the positive side, right now what we have is an open circuit, and so the light will not turn on because there's not a full running current through the entire wires. But if we close the circuit by attaching this, the light is on.
Benjamin Franklin in the mid-18th century started an experiment with a kite and a key. The key was a metal key, and he was testing to see on a stormy day if lightning had an electrical current. He sent up a kite as usual, but attached the metal key on top of it, and it was struck by lightning, and that was when he discovered it contained an electrical current. Another English scientist named Michael Faraday went on and continued his studies on electricity and found that electricity currents could be created by a magnet inside of a wire coil. And with that, future scientists such as Thomas Edison created light bulbs. Every piece of information that was collected from Benjamin Franklin and previous scientists helped generate and create what we have today, such as lights in cars, lights in TVs, lights in telephones, and even the newest type of light, which I believe is LED lights, which work a lot more proficiently and take up less electricity.
Electricity is a type of energy that can build up in one place and flow from one place to another. When electricity gathers in one place, it's known as static electricity. Electricity that moves from one place to another is called current electricity. Static electricity often occurs when you rub a thing together, such as when you rub a balloon against your clothes. The balloon sticks to your clothes because rubbing the balloon gives it an electric charge, a small amount of energy. Electricity is caused by electrons, particles that orbit around the edges of atoms. Each electron has a small negative charge. Atoms normally have an equal number of protons and electrons, so they have no overall electric charge. Current electricity occurs when electrons move and carry electrical energy from one place to another. An example of current electricity would be a lightning bolt.